Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we want to know what is going to be the type of species that is being titrated employing the following plot. So, in this case, what we see is that before the addition of the titrant, we're going to have a basic pH. So that means that we're going to have a base. In addition to that, the behavior that we observe over here is that we're going to have a decrease of the pH upon addition. Let me change colors. And then we're going to have a somewhat stable region before we reach our equivalence point around here. So this behavior is going to be characteristic of a weak base, since on this region we're going to have a buffering region where we're going to have presence of the, the base, the weak base, plus the conjugate acid. Now, what is the value of Ka if a weak acid or Kb if a weak base for the species being titrated? In this case, since we know that this is going to be a weak base, what we can say is that at the half equivalence point, meaning at 10 milliliters, over here, what I can see is that the value is going to be close to 4.7. If you're able to have the plot, or the plot is interacted to you and you can do better measurements, please take the value over here. So that means that at half equivalence point, the pH is going to be equal to 4.7. That means that the pOH is going to be equal to 9.3. And what we know about the titration of a weak base with a conjugate acid is that at the midpoint, the pOH would be equal to the value for the pKb. Thus, pKb equal to 9.3, giving us a value for Kb equal to 10 to the minus 9.3. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.